This was taken at Invercargill on the South Island, New Zealand. I think it's a grey duck. I think. It's definitely a duck. And it's definitely a grey duck or a mallard or a hybrid. Why am I going on about this? You're probably just watching the antics of the ducklings in the mud. But if you're not and you're interested in the identification of the species, it's got a very clearly defined white line above the eye. So I think it's the native New Zealand species grey duck, as opposed to the introduced mallard. Anyway, ducklings, mud, this is a winning video in my book.